Hello, my name is Kartik Tyagi. I'm currently in my 5th semester and I joined PinE Academy in the same. So my experience here has been quite good according to me. If you want to know my opinion, then the teachers, the way of teaching, their knowledge is quite exceptional according to me. And the way they teach and the set they have in mind, it is basically industry oriented. They know that what they have to teach in order to land you a job. So everything that they teach, they know that it will be used in the industry. The tactics they teach you to tackle any problem, it is all that you will use in your job or you will use in the interview round to get the job. Talking about the projects that I worked on here, they include from the most basic projects, like if you see the race around condition of a flip-flop, then you will see that not only in the theory, but you will see practically racing around or the errors that you encounter in one case. You'll see all that and it's quite impressive. It's off the books. You see it happening in front of your eyes in real life, and it's quite amazing. And the bigger projects that I have still worked on is a sign calculator, and it took so much of my concentration and time. And I think that for me was quite impressive because I worked on a lot of things and I tackled the problems myself without the help of any faculty. I first preferred to do it myself, and I was really impressed when I tackled the problems. And at last, I think the knowledge that they inculcate in amongst the children, I think it's really powerful and it intrigues you to learn more, and you get excited that what happens after this case, what would happen if you do this or you do that. So I think at last PinE is the best choice if you want to go into ECE core domain, VLSI or embedded. And I would like to express a huge thanks to Vaibhav sir, and because of his immense guidance, I have been able to be confident enough to choose this core field. So thank you so much.